That's really you naman basically, but I just wanna, as a writer, what are your visions or how do you want to be moved forward? Thank you, Sir LV. Yeah. What's your vision?
My reason for writing? My reason, I think, ultimately is to reach people. Feeling ko naman as human beings, we want connection. One way or another. That's why medyo clingy ako sa friends ko. Dahil kaka-connection. Parang ganyan. I think it's important for writers to share their story. Kasi there are people who don't write. Hindi nila hindi nila properly ma-express yung nararamdaman nila. They feel alone. Just to make this world a little bit better. I think that's what art does. It's to help us express, to help us connect with other people. So I think, just like other artists, yun lang naman yung goal ko. For them to see themselves sa art ko, sa writing ko. And what do I want to be known for? I want to be known for medyo malalim. Unapologetically herself writer. Especially sa time ngayon na people judge you for every little thing and people get offended for every little thing. But I don't want to filter myself. I want you to know me as me. That's why hindi ako takot ilabas yung name ko. I want to be known as a writer who has courage, who beats the odds, somebody people can relate to, somebody who shares her passion to other people,